On Peppy. Thank you. Clean the wheels. Squeeze it. Let Georgie have a go first. Can you squeeze it? Let Georgie have a go first. Squeeze it, George. There you go. On Peppy. No, on Peppy, please.
Very hard to push that.
Aim, have a go.
Good girl. Are you going to splash, Georgie? What? Oh my goodness, you're a strong little man.
Aim's got big.
George, that's not your turn yet. You have to wait till it's your turn.
No.
Just on Peppy, please.
Put it back on Peppy. Want to walk around to the front?
Captain Amy. Squeeze it. Just on Peppy, please. Can you just clean Peppy?
Yeah, everything got wet. We'll hang it up later. Just leave your hat on. Oh no, your belly's all wet.
Is your belly all wet?
Take my top off. Take my top off.
No, you need to leave it on or the sun will burn you.